Do you struggle with playing up-tempo jazz with brushes? Today I'm going to show you a jazz beat that will enable you to play as fast as you want. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. If you're new to this channel, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private teacher who's helped many students learn to play the drums on a very high level, including my student Zach Forsyth, who became a professional drummer and toured China with trumpeter Lee Sachuan. Okay, for playing fast tempos with the brushes, we're going to take the standard jazz swing beat, and we're going to break it up between the two hands. I'm going to demonstrate the basic beat very slowly and then up to tempo. Once you've got the basic beat down, then you should learn to improvise with it, and I'll demonstrate that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. A little faster. All right, I'm going to improvise a little bit for you. Work it up with a metronome. Practice improvising first at a slow tempo, and then work the whole thing up to speed. Now for the bonus I mentioned earlier. As a thank you for watching today, I'd like to send you my #1 drum chart reading exercise. It's completely free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me what kind of brushes you're currently using. Or if you want to just comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have another video about 2 essential brush beats that I know will also really help you. Please watch that next, and I'll see you next time.